We're about to put the fillet on this Wahoo and get him over to Castaways, and they're going to cook him up for us. So Joey's about to clean him, and I'm going to film it. Okay. All right, here we go. None of this, man. Right there, that's for sure. I don't want to miss none of this, man. This is some good stuff right here. I love Wahoo. Biggest fish I've cleaned in a long time. Look at that, that's a nice slab of meat, man. Holy cow. Oh, man. That's some sweet stuff right there. I want to see what he's been eating. Really? That's what I want to see. His belly's empty. Yeah, it is. That's why he attacked that lure. He was hungry. Look. His belly's empty, dude. Huh? His belly was empty. Hungry fish. There wasn't nothing in his belly. So, look at all the meat still in his head. Hey, Jeremy. Yep, he's up on the boat. They're out of the hunters. But alright. Alright, he'll take those. Didn't get any better than that. Want to try a little bit? No, I'm good. We're going to eat it in a few minutes. Chapo. That's pretty good. That's not kibble. I'll get you a Dexter. Find that spine and just ride it down that spine so we don't miss any meat, you know? Mm-hmm. This is a sloppy job what I'm doing, you know. It could have been a heck of a lot cleaner, but grab the meat. I lost a little bit right here. That'll be sashimi.
That'll be a good piece, yep.
That'll be a good sashimi.
Chapo's taking a break.
From what, breathing?
Just laying there on the ground.
And breathing's wearing him out?
Alright, so now Joey's going back and deboning.
We're gonna get out the skin. Alright, you're gonna cut that out, okay?
Yeah.
I'm trying to remember how my dad did it. He staked these. There we go.
What's that?
How did my dad stake these?
I'm not sure exactly how your dad staked them.
How do you stake them?
So you skin it first, and
I
then
lost the skin. I lost it. I had it, and I lost it.
You want me to call your dad and ask him?
He'd probably say, if you don't remember, you don't deserve to know.
I don't think he'd tell me that.
Yeah, he'd tell me that.
We're gonna have a lot of edits.
Alright, I can remember he did it. He cut it.
Well, you could stake him out and then skin the pieces.
Just stake him out. Are you gonna fry it? Or are you gonna bake it or broil it? How are you gonna do it?
Well, I don't care. We can do one of each if you want. We got 5 people, so we're gonna have 5 pieces.
I'll do 4 finger pieces, okay?
Okay. We get 3/4 of a pound each, so make it worth it.
And if I remember right, my dad would go like this. If I remember right, he'd go down to the skin. I hope I'm remembering this right. And he'd stake that. That's how he'd do it. He'd stake it just like that. That's how he'd do it.
And that's the way they'll cook them?
There's a couple different ways they can cook them.
Okay. But they're gonna be all right with the skins on?
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and take the skins off.
Oh, okay.
thank you. Is it on you good?
I think so.
Yeah. That better?
A little bit. Get this here bloodline, Gary. How are we looking on time?
We got about 15 minutes. We'll make it. No, it's a Chapo.
Huh?
Oh, Chapo won that piece.
You're right. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do fresh little pieces for Wahoo bites, okay?
Okay.
And then I'll do a couple steaks. And then look at that beautiful meat. It's like like shiny, like look at that.
Iridescent.
We got 15 minutes.
Yeah, you got to get going. But we can carry the fish up there while you do the rest of this, bag it up or whatever, and wash up. Chapo. We can use those pieces for bait tomorrow for grunts. Skin pieces.
Alright, I need to get one more baggie. The bucket. Oh, we got the bucket, right?
Yeah, we got a bucket, yep. That's a pretty clean piece there.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet. We got 15 minutes.
Yep. We're good. As long as we walk it up there by 8.
We got Wahoo bites for days.
Cut the next one like, cut that long ways into fingers. 2 fingers out of that.
2 fingers out of this one?
Yeah, make one of them like fingers.
Okay.
Yeah, because I like the fingers better than the bites. We'll pick one.
There's your finger. Is that all right sized right there?
Yep, that'll be fine.
Can we separate the bag? Fingers?
Yep.
Oh man. I gotta stretch more with my back, man. I don't know why my...
We'll go over here and do exercise with your neighbor.
Maybe it didn't kill me. Great.
Then make that piece into like 3 fingers. No, this piece. Yeah, make 3 out of that. There you go.
Are we still good on time?
Yeah, we got about 10 minutes. We'll walk in there and hand them the fish. It'll be fine. What are you going to do with the rest of it? Just bag it up and put it in Joe's freezer? It'll be right at 4 pounds, 3 3/4. There's some nugget pieces there. Well, we can put it in Joe's freezer for now, and then you take it to the boat or whatever. Split it up tomorrow. I do the next piece in fingers, and I think we'll call it. We'll fish that skin and everything tomorrow. Them grunts, they'll eat all that stuff.
Are you sure that's all you sure you want to do these last? Because this is just belly. This is all belly. There ain't much meat in there.
No, just do that one more piece and we'll carry that. We'll make it work. And then there'll be 2 pieces to go in the next bag, and then however you're going to cut that up in chunks to put in the freezer or fridge or whatever.
Finger or bite?
Fingers.
2 or 3?
3. Tough skin on that guy, isn't it? You got 1 piece of skin still on that 1 piece. The little piece. There you go. Okay, so we are at Castaways and we're getting the fish prepared. Wreck diver, which is a way with capers. Then we're getting the Dijonnaise, which is another way. And then we're getting 1 batch of it blackened. And the last batch we're getting coconut fried. So we're gonna do 4 batches of fish. And then Jeremy's gonna do a steak tonight. He's seafood out. So we'll be showing you that food here in a few minutes. All right, so this is the Dijonnaise. This is the coconut fried. This is the blackened. And we are waiting on the wreck diver. And that is the wreck diver. Tomatoes and capers. This one's mushroom and sauce. This one's coconut fried, and this is the blackened. If you love fishing, please subscribe.